So this is our clay that we're using, and these are our tools that we're using. And this is the ready clay that we bought, that you can buy online or in the store. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. We're also here with our mom. Okay, I'm gonna make a mug.
Yeah.
Me too. That's what I was gonna do.
I'm gonna make, I don't know, I'm gonna make a pencil or something. I'm gonna make a knife.
Okay. Baba, what are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a mug.
You know what I'm going to make?
What?
I'm gonna make a tractor.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, so
I'm gonna make some. Yeah, I'll take this.
take that
I
and
gotta make it like.
I need like a decent amount of clay to make a car. Can I take that piece?
you can always take more.
Change my mind. I'm gonna make a car.
Alright.
See, first I'm gonna make the base of the
I
car.
have to make a bowl. I'm making a knife.
First of all, I'm gonna make the body of the car, and then yeah, cylinder, just like a cylinder,
Here.
like this. You see? Baba, good job. You see? Like that.
Oh yeah, this is good shape. I'm trying to make a knife.
Knife?
Yeah, but I can't. I'm just gonna copy you guys.
Yeah, you can make a knife.
Yeah, make one.
Wow, that's cool. This is the body for the tractor. So I'm gonna carve it. Yeah, this is good. Now you can use this like the base, like that. Now. So that's the reason why I can use this tool. It's kind of like a wire, and then you cut it to carve the cabin. You see?
In the middle.
Yeah.
The cabin is in the middle of a tractor.
Yeah.
So should I just draw that in the back?
No, you,
Because I'm making a car.
yeah. You, this is where the seat is gonna be.
Like, how do I draw like a windshield? Like,
I will do it. I will do windshield. So I'm just gonna make a windshield. And now I'm gonna cut here. Wow, this is cool. Nice. You know what? Right there.
This part off.
Now the windshield, I'm just gonna use.
I can do that, but just smaller.
You see my windshield?
Mm-hmm. It's a truck. I'm gonna make a truck.
Yeah, you can make a truck.
I'm gonna put like the storage in the back.
Yeah. I'm gonna make the seat.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna make a car or a truck like you guys.
Nice. So this one you're just gonna let it dry, right? You know what? A little clay to hide it.
Wow, you're so talented.
Because I'm an artist, right?
Yeah. Right, so I made this, and now
What is it?
I make it to this iPad.
iPad? Wow. That's cool.
Oh my god. How do you make all this stuff?
The steering wheel. Look at that. Okay, so this is finished. I'm gonna just put it away, and I'm gonna
What
make.
about the wheels?
I'm gonna make the wheels now. So to make the wheel, you make like ball like this.
And you smooth out the back.
Oh, bye-bye. This is good. Truck.
This is the back of it.
Nice.
I think I was doing a good job.
Cool.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. So now Enzo just joined us, huh?
Enzo,
Enzo? You just joined us to work on the clay. Hot chocolate cream.
No, I'm pretty sure it's banana pudding and whipped cream.
Yeah, it's banana pudding.
Wow.
Enzo, wow. Enzo, boop.
Let's get more
Yeah. This is good.
Wow.
in the corner.
Okay.
Enzo.
Is this good, Daddy?
Yeah. This is nice. Yeah, you can just draw the light like this.
Okay.
And then make it like that. And then draw the stoplight.
Enzo,
Mm-hmm.
what happened?
Yay.
Should I? Daddy?
Yeah. Enda, what do you want? You want this? Nice.
Move, Mika. Okay.
Papa.
Well, you roll them into a ball, and it's time to flatten it. You see?
Bob.
Like this. Now I have a big fat wheel.
Big fat.
See? So it's gonna be the rear one. One.
Or can I just like do this?
Now we're gonna get there. I'll show you how to do this.
Enzo, you need to step on the gas.
Okay. Alright, good. Give me another bowl.
What happened?
Nice!
People.
Nice, Enzo. But me, I'm doing it with my hands like this.
Pinch it.
You pinch it, so it makes like the real tractor wheel.
Baba.
Hmm?
Simple.
The car, yeah, balloon.
See, Baba? So this is like the real tractor wheel. Because if you put it now, it's not gonna work. So you just have to wait until it's dry.
Wait, is that
You
Mama?
wanna
Yeah.
try?
Nice. You see, Nora? This is cool. I love it, how you did it.
Nice.
Nice.
I did mine.
The axis, I'm just gonna take a toothpick like this. And then put one like here, like this.
On your head and our wheels.
Okay. Are you guys done?
Daddy. Mommy, Mama.
These are our final results. That's Bubba's looks like this. Mine is this, not that good. And that's our dad's, really good. And that's Nora's.
And Nora's cup is here too. A mug.
We're gonna put these in the oven because they're soft, so they can dry, and then we'll check on them later in the oven.
Alright, so let's put them in oven.
So.
This is Nora's iPad.
iPad. And it's
So just like we bake cakes, we're gonna or cookies, we're gonna bake these. Alright, so it's time now to put them in the oven. So we're gonna wait for a moment and then take it out.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna check on our clay. This is what it looks like dry. It's hard.
It's completely dry now.
Yep.
So we put it only on 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
So, this is mine, what it looks like.
For about maybe 1 hour and a half, and then now it's ready. It's all dry.
This
Okay.
is my iPad.
Yeah.
This is my mug.
So we're gonna go
And
and
then this is my.
test it, right?
Let's
Test
go.
it. All right. So, Enzo, this is the car. So this is now dry, completely dry. Then I'm just gonna put the wheels on it. Alright, so this is the tractor.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I
Wow, look at that. Oh, man. These are like bolts to keep them securely in place. So I'm just gonna put them like this. And this car is ready.
I don't need a big one.
Alright, you guys, you can start doing it now.
So these are the big ones.
Okay, this to put my
Daddy?
first tire. It's just so wet. Oh, it rolls pretty well already.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
Nice.
Mine's rolling. I'm just gonna fix this up a little bit more.
Okay, wait.
Daddy?
Nice. This is so cool. Look at
Okay,
that.
now it's rolling.
Daddy?
Okay, this
Daddy? Daddy?
part stop.
This is mine. Daddy?
Mhm.
Please not block
Yeah.
from going.
Car. Yeah. Ah, car. Enzo is playing with the car. Wow.
Mine looks perfectly fine.
Wow.
Actually, this is Daddy. You guys left barely any for me. More, you lose too much.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys! Welcome to the Adventure Fam! We play! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.